Well, email is like a journey that starts from greetings to the message and to the final grand exit and grand closing. आपका भेजा गया हर एक email एक personal business card जैसा है. The secret is not the first word, it is the last word. So in the life, it is not just about how you start, it is about how you finish that the people remember. In email, आपके email में finish है आपका ईमेल साइन ऑफ और आपका ईमेल सिग्नेचर. आपका ईमेल साइन ऑफ एक हैंडशेक जैसा है व्हेन यू लीव द पीपल और व्हेन यू लीव द रूम, और आपका ईमेल सिग्नेचर दैट इज़ द लास्ट क्लोजिंग स्माइल और द लास्ट वर्ड दैट इज़ योर ईमेल सिग्नेचर. So, hello and welcome to the sixth video of Professional Email Writing Skill Series, where we will be unlocking the final element of email, that is email sign off and email signature. And this video will going to transform your ordinary email into the world class professional email communication. So whether you are a student, teacher, entrepreneur or working professional, this video is for you, because the way you close your email, that opens the door of opportunities. So stay tuned, stay connected and watch the entire video to master the best email closing and the professional signature that will make you remembered, respected and replied. So let's get started. Well, this is the outline of the presentation, what this video will cover. First, we will see what is the email sign off. Then we will see the best email sign off categories, that is formal, grateful and other. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे the examples of email sign off. Then we will see the certain common mistake for email sign off. And then we will see the email signature. What is email signature? What are the important component for a good email signature? And lastly, we will see the professional signatures examples. So by the end of this video, you will become confident and professional for ending the emails. What do you mean by email sign off? So sign off means you are announcing the respectful and the polite closure of your email. You are announcing, आप announce कर रहे हैं कि आपका email close हो रहा है. So email sign off is like shaking a hand when you are leaving the room or when you are leaving the people. Email sign off is the last impression that you put in the minds of the receiver. So it is classified into three category. First one is formal sign off. फॉर्मल साइन ऑफ यूज़ होता है बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन में, जहाँ पे आपका और आपके रिसीवर के साथ आपका फॉर्मल रिलेशन है. सो इन दैट यू कैन यूज़ द फॉर्मल साइन ऑफ. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू कैन यूज़ रिगार्ड्स, काइंड रिगार्ड, वार्म रिगार्ड्स, बेस्ट रिगार्ड्स, सिंसियरली. सेकेंड कैटेगरी है दैट इज़ ग्रेटफुल साइन ऑफ. व्हेन यू वांट टू एक्सप्रेस द एप्रिसिएशन, when you want to show that you are very grateful for the receiver for some urgent and important matter, so you can use this sign of thank you, thanking you, thanks, respectfully and gratefully. Apart from this, you can use the long sign off. If you want to give some human touch or personal touch, or if you want that you need the response from the receiver, अगर आपको receiver से response चाहिए, so you can use the long sign off where you can say looking forward, let me know if you have any question, hoping for a quick response, let me know what you think, hope this helpful. So this email sign off is based on the personal taste, it is based on the personal experience, and it is a personal experience and personal taste of the sender. They can use this email sign off. Some sender may use regards, kind regards, some may use thanking you, respectfully, gratefully. So it is a personal choice, it is a personal taste what email sign off they are going to use. But while using email sign off, your email sign off should match with the tone of your email message. Now we will see certain examples of email sign off. Your email sign off should match how you have started your email, how you have started your greetings. It should match with the tone of your greetings. There should be a proper closing of your email. So if you have started the greeting with dear sir, so you can end up so you can end with your sincerely or sincerely. If you have started the greeting with writing dear Rahul, dear Mr. Rahul, so you can end with regards and kind regards. And suppose if you have written an email to your professor and given the greeting called dear professor, so you can end with student respectfully, sincerely, and your colleague. So sign off is not just an ending, it is about ending with clarity, ending with respect, ending with the tone that matches with your message. So now we'll see certain common mistakes of email sign off that people make. कुछ हम मिस्टेक्स देखेंगे जो लोग करते हैं, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग दिस मिस्टेक यू कैन स्पॉइल योर ईमेल. सो डोंट डू दिस कॉमन मिस्टेक्स. तो मिस्टेक नंबर 1, सो डोंट लीव ये साइन ऑफ ब्लैंक. आप साइन ऑफ को ब्लैंक मत रखिए अपने ईमेल में. यू मस्ट हैव द साइन ऑफ इन द ईमेल एट द एंड. इफ़ यू लीव द साइन ऑफ, इट मीन्स you are walking without saying goodbye. It will look awkward and it will look unprofessional. So you must have email sign off. Then don't just write thanks खाली मत लिखिए. It looks that you are ये दिखाता है कि आप बहुत जल्दबाजी में हैं and you are insincere. Then avoid thanks in advance. बहुत सारे लोग thanks in advance लिखते हैं. So you avoid thanks in advance because it looks that you are forcing for some favor. आप किसी को force कर रहे हैं कुछ favor के लिए. आप over assertive हैं. आप ये थोड़ा सा bossy लगता है. It sounds bossy. Then avoid short forms like ATB, all the best, RGDS, regards, thanks. So it is not appropriate for the business communication. It is unprofessional and it is too casual. So avoid all these common mistakes for your email sign offs. Your email sign off is not the text message. It is your part of professional identity. Next, we'll see the email signature. What do you mean by email signature? Just imagine that you receive a letter. आप imagine करिए कि आपने एक letter receive किया है जिस पे sender का नाम नहीं है, sender का information नहीं है. क्या ये आपको अजीब नहीं लगेगा? Yes, and that is why you need a proper email signature. So email signature क्या मदद करता है? It helps to know who has sent the email. ये बताता है वो किसने सेंड किया है और वो रिसीवर को इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है अबाउट द सेंडर के बारे में एक डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है. सो इन द बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन the who is more important than just a name. So your signature tells who you are, what you do, and how they can reach to you. So that is why email signature is very important. Now we'll see what makes the good email signature. What must have component. एक अच्छा component क्या होना चाहिए to make a good signature. First, you must have your full name. Then you must have your title, job title and job designation. सामने वाले रिसीवर को पता चलना चाहिए कि आपका रोल और आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है. देन योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, फ़ोन नंबर, अल्टरनेटिव नंबर, कि वो आपको कैसे रीच आउट कर सके, कॉन्टैक्ट कर सके. देन रिलेटिव लिंक्स, इट मे बी योर ईमेल आईडी, इट मे बी द वेबसाइट, इट मे बी द सोशल मीडिया लिंक्स. एंड देन डिस्क्लेमर इफ़ यू आर सेंडिंग एन ईमेल फॉर अ लीगल नेचर. So your signature is your digital identity below your message. So keep it simple, keep it simple and keep it updated for the receiver. And the secret thing is that you should make the signature from the point of view of the reader and from the point of view of the receiver के point of view से ये सारी information होनी चाहिए. Then this is some professional email signature examples. Email signature is your visiting card which is at the end of your message. So make it short, make it simple, make it clean, neat and updated. So don't use too many fonts, don't use too many colors, make it short, simple and updated. That is the professional email signature. So this is it from my side for this video for mastering the best email closing and professional signatures. So if you found this video valuable, then kindly like, share and subscribe the channel where the knowledge meets understanding. So until we meet again, I am signing off. Till then, take much care of yourself. आप अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. Thank you.